Welcome friends to my channel. This is my third video in regards to Android development app. Whatever software you need, that is provided in the description link below. Today I am going to teach you a very important topic, that is how to activate the app components. In this topic you will be going to learn about how will you move from one activity to another activity. So till the time we have only learnt about one activity in an app. Now we are going to invoke one activity from the other activity. So you are having more than one activities in your app. How to navigate that you are going to learn. For implementing this requirement, you need to use intents. Okay, so these are the messages which are used to activate app components. Like you want to activate any service or activity or broadcast receiver, that you can do with the help of intents. Okay, now how to use these intents? First of all, they are telling you about what are the components of intents. Okay, the component name should be there, that will be going to handle the intent. What will be the action that need to be performed? Suppose you want to dial a number, so action call, action dial, these are the constants which you can use. And where is the telephone number? That will be your data on which you are going to operate. There are two type of intents, one is explicit intent and one is implicit intent. Okay, explicit intent specify the name of the target component to activate that component. Okay, so they are used to start an activity or service within the same app. So you want to navigate from one activity to other. Implicit intent is used to activate the components of other app. Okay, so let me tell you about first of all implicit intent. Suppose you want to launch an activity that can dial a telephone number. What you need to do is you need to create an object of intent class equal to new intent. With the help of this object will be created. There are two parameters. One is constant. You want to dial the telephone number. So this is the constant action dial. This is the action you want to perform. And this is the telephone number. As there is a string form, you need to parse it. You need to convert it into the integer form. So you are extracting the integer portion out of this string. Then start activity is the method. It will invoke this intent and this action will be performed. Now how to create an implicit intent, I will show you practically. Look at here. First of all, you need to create a project, that you know how to create a project. File, new application, Android application project. You need not take anything in your XML file. Okay. What we want to create is, we want to create an implicit intent that will dial a screen. Okay. Dial a number, sorry. Like this. This is the number which I want to dial with the help of the intent. Okay. So how to do this? You need to write only code in the Java file which I have shown you in the PowerPoint slide. You need to create the object of your intent class. Either you take action call or action dial. This is the telephone number. It will be going to extract the numerical value from this telephone number. This is in the string form. And then start activity. It will execute this intent, implicit intent object, and perform this action. But this much code is not sufficient. You need to give permission. You need to set the permission also. Now how to set the permission? In your project, you are having Android manifest.xml file. Click on this. At the bottom, you will get 5 tabs: manifest, application, permission, instrumentation, and XML. You can write a code over here. How will you set the permission? Uses permission, Android name. What is the permission? Call phone. If you are not setting this permission, you will not able to perform this activity. Clear? Save your project and execute it. How will you execute? You will right click, run as Android application. Okay. So once you execute this application, you have given this telephone number in your Java file. Okay, it will show you this particular screen on which this number is dialed. Okay, so this is how you can create an implicit intent. You are invoking the app components. Fine. How to create explicit intent, that I will give you demo in my next video. If you have any doubt, you can leave in the comment section. Till the time, thank you.